Welcome. If you want to change the date and the time settings on your Amazon Fire TV stick, at the first you have to open the settings. Next you have to scroll down for preferences. Right now scroll down all the way down and pick the time zone and select the time zone one more time. In this place you can change your region, so I'm going to set Europe. And when we make it, we can pick our time zone. So I would like to get the Central Europe Standard Time. And as you can see on the right side, we got date and the time set up automatically. And you have to remember that when you are connected to the Wi-Fi network, you'll get always the correct date and the time. In this place, we can also change the 24-hour time. And as you can see right now, in the right bar corner, the time format has changed. And that's all. After you make this setup, you can just go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.